Now, write down combine operation in simple English. It means you are going to see plus, minus, multiply, divide together. There's one more thing called bracket. Okay? That means you are going to see all these together. Yeah, then the BODMAS thing will come in. But some will say, sir, what is BODMAS? Good. Forget about BODMAS. Let me introduce to you another thing called please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Okay. Now, this phrase help us to remember what is the order.
Tender.
Okay. This phrase actually means I only want the first alphabet. The P stands for what? Plus. No. The P actually stands for parenthesis, which is bracket. Can you highlight? This actually means bracket. That means what you want to do? You want to do bracket first. So maybe I use some space here to help me and help you understand. Sequentially, number one, I will do P first. And the P stands for bracket. Can you write down something? The P means bracket, but if I have many brackets, which one do I do first? The innermost first. Later I explain. Okay? So the P stands for bracket. Now, E stands for what? E stands for exponent. Now, all these are very big words. E stands for exponent, but actually it means power. So this one means power. So can you write down this one actually means all the power and roots. If you want to further explain, this actually means all the square or the cube root, etc., etc. All the square, cube, root, all these come under exponent. So this is the excuse, E. M stands for what?
Multiplication, division.
M and D stands for multiply and divide. Aunt Ellie, the A and the S, add and subtract. Some of you very familiar with BODMAS. Can I draw out BODMAS? BODMAS means like that. Do you see the MD and AS is the same? This MD is here. This AS addition subtract is here. Right? Yeah. If I use the BODMAS, it's okay. But why BODMAS now don't really work as well? Because now you have additional of square root and cube root. The B stands for bracket. Am I correct? Bracket, Bracket. O left. What operation? I also forgot. Of, bracket of, then, yeah. So, now you know, now we start. So, the order here is the same. For BODMAS, it's also downward. So, you do this, and do this, right? Like that. Now, can I move on? No need to copy BODMAS, No need to copy. This one no need. No need anymore. But now we are looking at this. So, can we go down? Can, Now, we look at the first one. Which one do you do first? The division and the multiplication. That means what? You actually do 20 divided by 2. Equal to what? 10. Can you write down? Last year, primary 6. PSLE question, is it?
No, it's a plus.
Now, plus, do you do anything? No, you copy down plus. What do you do next? 4 times 2. What do you get? 8. Then this is equal to 18. So this is called Bogmus or the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay? This one what do you do first? Yeah. This one what do you do first? Bracket first. But bracket inside got times and minus. Which one do you do first? Do a times first. So this one I will do 3 times 9 minus 6 divide by what? 5 minus 12. Press calculator.
And then open up the bracket.
Open up the bracket. What is 27 minus 6? 21. Divide by negative 7. Negative 3. Press calculator. All this is not by mental sum. Just calculator. Okay, I pause the video here. I want you to see Max. Look on the box first. Now, can I bring your attention to part 5? Oh, that's the biggest. Now, do you see part 5 there is one bracket? And there is also another bracket. Now, my question is, which bracket do you do first? Max. Which bracket do you do first? Blue or red? Blue. Blue is called the innermost bracket. Can you follow? Can Do you know how to write the third bracket? You want to see? For example, I have 3. This is my first bracket, right? How do I write second bracket? Square. How do I write third bracket? This one. Calculator, no, calculator you only see round. On paper you can do different set of brackets. So it's just different set of brackets.
The last one is usually for the model one.
Model, no lah. Oh yeah, the model thing. Okay, part 4. Now, can you highlight the word with clear working? With clear working. Everyone highlight. I show you the wrong one. Okay, can I check? Everyone, do you get part 339, negative 39? Yes, Okay, how many of you wrote this? How many of you wrote equal minus 39? Do you write this?
No.
Anyone? If you do this, in exam, 0 mark. Why? Because you use calculator. Can you use calculator? Can. But because they say you be clear working. So how do I show the working? Let's try. Sehang, which one do I do first? Oh, you got see. Okay, Khalid, which one do I do first? Plus? No. Divide. So once I say 13, what do I get? Negative 13 plus 13 times negative 2. Am I correct? Okay, let me erase some of the things so it's easier for you to see. Now what happens after this? What do I do? Equal to what? Kylie, which one do I do next? Do I do the minus 13 plus 13 or do I do the 13 times minus 2? 13 times minus 2. So you have to show working. This is negative 13 minus 26. Then this is negative 39. Okay? Can, Can. Now start. Important, Now, what is the difference between minus 2, negative 2 square versus negative 2 square? Is there a difference? Yes. Now let's go through the difference together. In calculator, it is different. In actual working, it is also different. Now I show the actual working first. If I put a bracket, it means I want to take negative 2 times negative 2. And what happens if I have bad person and bad thing happen to him? Good. So this is a plus 4. Now, You try bracket. Now everyone try the calculator. Bracket. -2 close bracket square. You get 4. But the other one, because the calculator is stupid. Not you, but calculator is not clever. So calculator will write what? Calculator will think you want this. You understand? Therefore, you press calculator, you have -4. You try now. You try. You don't want square, right? That means you only want -2 times +2. This one is -2 times -2. See the difference? What difference? Can you understand now? So you need to understand how the calculator thinks. Then you can control the calculator. Otherwise, the calculator control you. Then you don't know what you are pressing. You press, you don't know whether correct or not. So you must know your calculator first. Okay? I pause the video here. I may as well go through the question. Now, all done with this? Copy down already? Who is still copying? 3, 2... Yes. Depends. If you want this one, you better put the bracket. If you want this one, but you press without the bracket, they give you a different answer. So it depends on what you want. So I say you control the calculator. Can I go through part 5 now? Chandel, what do you do first? Huh? So many things. What do you do first? -3 square. Very good. Now this -3 square, what's the answer? -9. How many of you got 9? Nobody. Very good. This is correct. This is correct. -9 is correct. Now next, Chandel, what do you do? Do you copy the 2 minus? Which one do you solve first? Do you solve the red bracket or the blue bracket? Blue. So you solve the blue bracket. So what do you get? 2 minus bracket. What is cube root 64? Chandel? What is cube root 64? -1. So you have 4 minus 5. You have to write down the 4. Let me explain. You have to write down the 4 because cube root of 64 is not just -1. So this is 4. So this is the meaning of clear working. You see, okay? Yeah, so 4 minus 5. What is 4 minus 5? -1. Then what happened? 加俊, right? 加俊. Okay, 加俊, what happened next? What is 2 minus -1? Wrong. 3. 2 plus 1. So this is -9 times 2 plus 1. This is -9 times 3. This is -27. Okay? Can I request everyone to press this in your calculator?